Welcome to the Apex Rider reservation tutorial. Open up your app and enter your pickup and drop-off locations, either by searching for or by selecting from any of your saved locations. Select your vehicle type and set your date and time to be picked up. Then, select a transportation provider from which you have an active account. And finally, tap Confirm and choose how many passengers there will be. That's it! Your request is on its way to highly rated drivers in your city. Once drivers begin to express interest in your request, you will be notified. Open your reservation details to view interested drivers and tap on a driver's photo to learn more about them. Once you are satisfied, select your driver. You and your driver will be notified of your confirmed reservation. Use the chat feature to communicate with your driver. Additionally, 1 hour before your reservation time, you will both have the option to call each other through the app if needed.
On reservation day, your driver will send you a notification that they are on their way. At this time, you will also be able to track their location through the app. Once your driver arrives, they will send you a notification. At this time, meet your driver at their car and provide them with the OTP, your one-time passcode. This is a great safety feature to help confirm to the driver that you are their passenger and that they are your driver. Once your driver enters and verifies your OTP in their app, your reservation is complete. At this time, you can both open your transportation provider apps and request your ride in order to begin your transportation. As a reminder, Apex Mobile App LLC is not a transportation network company or TNC and therefore provides the reservation only. Once your ride is complete, don't forget to rate and favorite your driver. Now go and enjoy Apex Rider and your better rideshare experience.